Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. To this week's Business Review Now. A young businesswoman is carving out her space in Jamaica's competitive food industry. It's the story of Shanz Street Vibes Cafe.
Before the aprons, before the catering calls, there was a dream not of fortune or fame, but of family. For Chanel Thompson, her journey to entrepreneurship began with something as simple and as sacred as preparing for marriage.
The background, I wanted to be a wife. I'm still not yet a wife. And my mother would say to me that you must learn to cook if you want to be a wife. Because I am the type of person who will tell you that I will not let a helper cook for my husband when I am married.
That thought, that quiet conviction turned into Shanz Street Vibes Cafe that's now infusing new aromas in the food industry. In 2019, she invested in a hot dog cart costing 120,000 Jamaican dollars, and later in 2022, she started doing pop-ups.
So I was just scrolling on Instagram, I saw a pop-up and I said, all right, then let me just, sign up for this and see what it's like.
And what was the result of that pop-up?
Well, the first pop-up was a failure. The second one, same thing, but I just keep going.
Why you say it was a failure?
I didn't make a profit. I mean, it's my first pop-up. I went in saying that, whatever it is, I'll work with it and then I'll learn from it. And that is why I'm at Summit today, because I didn't give up. Even though when I did the first 2 of the 3, I didn't make a profit.
Today, she's stirring two worlds together.
I work on a Ministry of National Security for Police Civilian Oversight Authority. That's my 9 to 5.
And so when do you operate the business?
Right after work. So I was at work today and here I am at Summit. Summit ends at midnight, get some rest tomorrow, and I'm back out Monday for work.
And you do this every day?
Not every day. For us, we operate on a Tuesday at Kingston Night Market, Thursdays at Summit, and Friday at Summit. Saturdays, we're at some anime event, any pop-ups.
While the road hasn't been smooth cooking, the business has grown exponentially.
We started out selling hot dog, fries, quesadillas. Now Shanz Street Vibes, we sell tacos, we sell pork belly, we sell barbecue pigtail, we do jerk chicken, we do everything. We actually do catering as well. It has grown to the point where I'm just wondering, did I really expect this?
And while the orders keep pouring in, Ms. Thompson said this is just the appetizer.
I hope to open my own restaurant in the near future, but for now, this is working for me.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.